So are you looking for a quick method to make money online? This method is so quick and so easy. Anyone can do this. You don't need any experience. I love this. It's free and it's available worldwide. So wherever you are, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, South America, we can all get access to this opportunity. You just need a computer or a laptop or your phone. Just sit at home and just do some quick little things that I'm going to show you and make money online. Now, you know that it's very hard to get jobs these days and it's really a pity, but I'm going to show you a method that can help you to make money online. If you're interested in that, just make sure you watch the video all the way to the end because I'm going to explain everything to you. Don't skip the video because every step is important. You need to understand how it works. Don't be that person that knows the website and just goes on and tries it by themselves without actually understanding what's going on. Yeah, don't do that. It's not a long video, so just watch the video, and before I show you this, please just subscribe. It's free. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. And turn on that notification bell. Just click that bell, which means that every time I have a new video, you will get a notification on your phone or on your computer. So there's a website that is called usertesters.io. So basically, what is that? As you can see, it's earn money for testing websites right from your couch, which means that you're going to test websites. But it doesn't mean that you need all this technological knowledge and you need to know a lot about websites and programming and all that jazz. No. It's just about you going on a certain website, just doing a few things, clicking here and there, taking some screenshots and making money. Very simple. I told you anyone can do this, which means that you don't really need all that knowledge that has to do with the word user testers. It sounds so frightening, like user testers. No, it's not like that. It's just very simple. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is apply. It's free to apply. It's just a quick procedure to apply. Just fill in a few details, which I'll show you. Second thing, you receive user testing requests to your email, so they're going to provide you with jobs in your email inbox and different kinds of jobs, different tasks that you need to do to make money. The third thing is get paid, make money. Go and buy some food, go and buy something nice, go and buy yourself something expensive, whatever you want to buy. So we're here to make money and you're going to get paid directly from companies. So you get paid between $10 to $50 per test. The test isn't long, sometimes can take you like 10 minutes. From what I know, they'll usually pay you between $30 to $35. That is my luck. If maybe you get an opportunity that pays you $50, I haven't gotten that yet, but still with $35, it's really great because it's so easy to do. So as you can see here, what do you need? All you need is a PC, a laptop, or a phone, whichever. You definitely have one of these. If you're watching this video, you have one of these, definitely. Otherwise, I don't really know where you're watching this video from. I really don't have an idea. You can comment down below and tell me, but I don't know. Anyways, then you need internet. If you're watching this video and you don't have internet, then I really don't know what you're using. You really have to explain to me what you're using because I might need that. Anyways, you need internet, you need free time. You can make some time. Anybody looking for money can make some time, definitely. And a quiet area. Just find a quiet area. Come on, go to the toilet, do this. It's free, it's easy. So I'm going to show you the types of jobs that you can get. So for example, it will say like you get a task, for example, that says number 1, please just visit the eBay website at www.ebay.com. And step 2, please take a screenshot of the eBay website homepage. Step 3, please locate daily deals on eBay and take a screenshot. Step 4, please search for blah blah blah. This is like a product. This is the name of a certain product on eBay. Search for that and take a screenshot. 5, please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot. Very simple, and you can get like $40, $35. Easy. Let's do it. Step 1, let's go to eBay. So we want to type in eBay. So this is ebay.com. When we on eBay, we can see this is the eBay website. So remember, the reason they're paying you is actually because all these big companies like eBay and Amazon and all these companies, they just want more traffic on their websites. You know, they want more customers. Not to say they've already had a lot, but they want more, which is absolutely normal. We all want more. So when we're over here, we'll go to step 2. Please take a screenshot of the eBay website homepage. So we want to take a screenshot. If you're using a Windows computer, to take a screenshot, we're going to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool over here. So this is the snipping tool. I want to click on new. Then we want to take a screenshot. So as I'm doing that, I'm taking a screenshot. There is a screenshot. So now I want to save. Name it whatever you want to name it. Then we're going to go here. Please locate daily deals on eBay and take a screenshot. Daily deals. Okay. This is daily deals over here. Very visible. You cannot miss that. So they want us to take a screenshot of this as well. So what we'll do, we go back to the snipping tool. There's also a different shortcut to take a screenshot. I hope you know it. If not, just search for snipping tool. It's very cool. It's very easy. Let me take that screenshot again. Okay. Then I'm going to save this. I've saved that. That is daily deals. So what is next? Please search for this product and take a screenshot. So we're going to copy. You usually just copy the name of the product that they give you. Then paste it and search for it. So this is the product over here. Click on it. Then take a screenshot. Very, very simple, right? Absolutely beautiful. There we go. I'm going to save that. And then please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot. So customer service portal. So where is customer service portal? Let's scroll down to the bottom. Let's go back to the home page and see customer service portal. Customer service portal. Customer service portal. Okay, maybe it's in contact us. No, this isn't customer service. This is something else. Customer service. Is anybody seeing customer service? Customer service. Where art thou, customer service? Customer help and contact. There we go. I saw something there. customer service. Bam. What you want to do, take a screenshot. Absolutely easy. A screenshot. Save. When you save that, then that's about it. Simple as that. If you're interested in these kind of jobs, you want to come up here, back to the usertesters.io website, click on apply for free. First name. You definitely have a first name. Otherwise, I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyways, email address, your country. As I said, it's available worldwide. As you can see, all these countries, doesn't matter where you're from. Your city, your age, your technology, which means which device. If you have a PC, a Mac, if you're that guy that has an Android and an Apple device, which means that you have an iPhone and an Android phone because you're that cool, do what you do. Which browser do you use? If you use Chrome like me, click that, or whatever you use. Do you have a webcam on your computer? Do you have access to a microphone? Do you have PayPal? Do you have, how would you rate your technology skills? Put it on high. Just put it on high, even if it's not. Put it on high, trust me, I know what I'm saying. Your background, your gender. If you're not a male or a female, then please, you can comment down below and let us all know what exactly you are, so that we know what you are. You must be one of these, trust me. You definitely, if you're not a male and you're not a female, then I don't know really what you are. Then I really don't know. Anyways, you speak English. Well, if you don't, I don't think you would have been watching this video. But anyways, your industry, your availability, what times are you best available? So you want to let them know that maybe you're available on the weekdays or weeknights or weekends, or you just available all the time. So you just want to click on all of these. Have you participated in a user test before? If you have, just click yes or no and then become a tester. Absolutely free. You won't get rejected. They're looking for you. They're looking for you. Trust me, people are looking for customers and clients to just come onto their website and come and check things out. So you're gonna get paid usually $35, $30 per test. Absolutely easy to do. Hope you like this video. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button, the red button. It's free. You don't pay to subscribe. Thank you. And turn on the notification bell so you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.